Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your phone application. And now, on the top right corner we got 3 dots, so tap it and choose settings. Here we got block numbers option. And how you can see here I've got two block numbers. So when blocking, for example, this last number, need click here, red minus in the right side, and you got a message that this number will be unblocked. So let's try again. This number and click here on the right minus. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.